In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website multilingual, a useful skill to make your website accessible to a broader audience. Let's dive in and ensure your site caters to multiple languages in 2025 and beyond. Firstly, you want to start by going to your Wix site's dashboard. If you're logged in, you should be able to see the homepage of your Wix account right away. This is the control center for all the websites you manage with Wix, and it's where we'll begin our multilingual setup. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This will help as we navigate through the steps. Next, head straight over to the settings area of your dashboard. This section is where you can fine-tune many aspects of your site's operations, from business details to communication settings. It's the key area where all significant customizations begin. As you delve into settings, we'll find exactly what we need to make your site multilingual. Now, in the search bar within the settings, type in multilingual. This will quickly filter through settings options and show you where the multilingual settings are located. It's a handy shortcut to avoid any unnecessary clicking through menus. Once the multilingual options have appeared, locate and select the language and region option, followed by regional settings. Regional settings will provide the foundation for adding new languages. Here you can also set the primary language of your site, a crucial step in ensuring that everything lines up coherently as you add new language options for your visitors. In the regional settings, look for the section that allows you to add languages. Clicking here will open up options for adding additional languages to your website. Take a moment to decide which languages are best for your audience. Keep in mind that each language added supports your broader reach and accessibility. Continue by clicking on Add to Site. This action will integrate the chosen languages into your website, allowing different language versions of your content to be created and managed. It's an exciting step that makes your site more inclusive and potentially more appealing to international visitors. Finally, follow the prompt to Add and Agree. This step confirms that you want to proceed with the changes, integrating these languages into your site's structure. By doing this, you're ensuring that your site is all set for translation and multilingual presentations. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled multilingual capabilities on your Wix website. This enhancement not only broadens your reach, but also makes your site more user-friendly for non-native speakers. Remember, maintaining accurate and consistent translations is key to offering a seamless experience for users across different languages. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy Wix tutorials and updates.